Baby Ghost Rider, come here! What the fuck is he doing? Anbato, come! Wait, bro, wait. Hey, come. I'm gonna beat your ass out, bro. Bro, align. Align, bro, align. Bro, align. Bro, align. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. If you left behind, that's not our problem, right? That's not our problem, bro. Let's do the nightmare.